Good morning, dear children. Welcome to our EVS class. Today we will start our lesson number 20, Unity in Diversity. India is a very big and beautiful country. It is the seventh largest and second most populated country in the world. It has 28 states and 8 union territories. The capital of India is New Delhi. Our national flag, national emblem, and national anthem are the symbols of the independence and unity of our country. So it is our duty to respect them. In this module, we will study about our national symbols and their importance. Let us begin with the national flag. You must have seen a national flag on all government buildings. It is hoisted at the Red Fort by our Prime Minister on August 15 every year. Our national flag is rectangular in shape. It is called a tricolor or tiranga as it has bands of 3 colors. Deep saffron at the top, white in the middle, green at the bottom. There is a blue colored wheel Ashoka Chakra in the center of the white band. It has 24 spokes and the wheel signifies progress. Children, we must follow certain rules to show respect to our national flag. Saffron band to be on the top and green at the bottom. No other flag can be placed over and above our national flag. The flag has to be brought down at sunset, folded and put away properly. All other flags should be placed to the left of our national flag. Our next national symbol is national anthem. Our national anthem, Jan Gan Man, was written by Guru Rabindranath Tagore. The song had 5 stanzas, but the first one was chosen to be our national anthem. Our national anthem is sung in the praise of our motherland. It is sung at all national festivals and other important occasions. There are some rules that we must follow when national anthem is sung or its tune is played. We must stand in attention, we should not talk. We must know the words to be able to sing it correctly. We must sing with love and respect. Our next national symbol is national emblem. You can see our national emblem on all coins and currency notes. It can be seen on all government books and papers. It is the official seal of the Government of India. Our national emblem has 4 lions, but only 3 lions are visible, the 4th being hidden from view. It was taken from the Sarnath lion capital erected by Ashoka and was adopted as the national emblem of India on 26 January 1950. Forming an integral part of the emblem is the motto inscribed below in Devanagari script Satyamev Jayate, meaning truth alone triumphs, is inscribed below the emblem in Devanagari script. Beside these main national symbols, we have also other national symbols. Like our national flower is lotus. Our national fruit is mango. Mango is a tropical fruit. The juicy ripe fruit is rich in vitamin A, C and D. Our national river is Ganga, the holy river of India. Our national tree is Indian banyan. Our national bird is peacock and our national animal is tiger. The rich color, attractive design and a great roaring power makes tiger our national animal. Our national currency is Indian rupee and the national song is Vande Mataram. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and it was a source of inspiration to the freedom fighters during our struggle for freedom. Thank you children. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.